Now, many times you might not have access to a Linux machine, maybe, and you'd like to run a Linux only, exploit coded just for the Linux operating system. And this is where CYG-Win comes into play. With this program, you can run most of the Linux-made exploits within Windows. First, you should go to the website, follow the link in the handbook, cygwin.com, and run the installer. I'll go ahead and start that up as well. Alright, next, install from the internet. Everything's good. Direct connection, and it should download most of the packages right now. Now we choose a download site. I don't know which one's fastest. Just choose one at random. And next, it'll start downloading some more packages. Alright, now here's a list of packages. We are looking for the GCC core files under the development. So click the little star there, and we're looking for GCC. There we are. And select the GCC core, and we'll click the skip button to select it and hit next, and it should start installing them. I'll go ahead and pause this until it finishes downloading the packages. Alright, it's finished downloading, so finish. And now let's use the exploit from the last example where we ran it in Ubuntu and run it through CYG-Win, or SIG-Win. Let's just call it SIG-Win. That would be the Bureau FTPD Linux remote root exploit. So go ahead and copy that and save it as exploit.c. Save. Now once you've saved the exploit.c file, go ahead and open the c/sigwin directory and go to the home directory and your username and paste it in there. I already have it in there. Alright, now that it's in there, open up, go to the main SIGWin directory and go ahead and run SIGWin. You should see a screen like this. David's joining. Oh, that's my name, I guess. And looks like a little bash screen, like a Linux bash terminal. And now we can go ahead and use the ls command, the Linux ls command, list command, and there you go, exploit.c. That's our file. Okay, now that it's there, we can now compile it with the GCC compiler, same as in Linux, as we showed in the Ubuntu tutorial. Now we'll use the exploit.c file, and bam, exploit.c warning, no new line at end of file. That's alright, it's just a warning. And the ls command should show a.exe and exploit.c. So it's compiled it and it's come out as a exe file. If you'll remember in the Linux tutorial, it came out as a.out, and since this is Windows and it's running the exploit through a Linux environment but kind of porting it to Windows, it came out as a.exe, so we can run it within Windows. Alright, so same way as we ran it in Linux, the // command with the name of the file a.exe, and bam, it's running. Bureau FTPD, and the usage same as in the last tutorial. There you go. So now you can run most of the Linux made exploits right in your Windows machine.